Hello everyone, we are going to learn on how you can put a video in a loop, or repeating itself. So to set your video in loop, simply start by opening Tik Tok. Then after go on adding a video. And then choose video from your gallery. Then after choose any video you want from this files. Then as you can see this are results you will get. So to put our video in loop. So simply choose next. And as you can see this are results you will get, and as you can see this are tools that creators be using while editing. So to reverse your video, simply click on effects, then after opening it you can see that here are tools used in video effects, such as stickers, transition, and so many more, so simply click on time. And now as you can see here are reverse tool, repeat tool, and slow motion tool. Simply click on this repeat button. And now as you can see the video suddenly showed a part where you can loop it from, and now you can also choose the part to where you can make your loop start from. Since the whole video can't loop, you will choose the short part. And now if you want you can post or whatever you want. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.